guys, this is the 27th of June. This is going to be our weekly watch list. Thank you for joining us once again. We're going to be going over, so I'll be sharing my screen real quick, what I have on my radar. I've been holding these two trades. So this is my evaluation account. So I've been long 2276 on the micro Russell. This is a 4-hour chart. I moved my stop up to 2320 to just boom, lock in profits no matter what happens. I'm still letting it ride out. It looks like there's a little bit of maybe a little resistance back here, but on this previous peak 2343, let me try zoom out if it lets me. No, it wants to be sensitive, this one. This is the Top Step Trader platform. So that's where I go make some trades. Okay, back to my screen share. So that was a micro Russell holding profit there, 546 ticks. Now this is the
but you're saying this is what's top step, yeah, with your
top.
evaluation.
Yeah,
I think
this
that's right
is.
where you left off, top step.
So this is what you see is a Top Step platform. They have their own trading platform, and it's online based. They do have a mobile app as well for those out there if you want to use it. This is my current micro Dow. I caught a breakout here at this blue line. That was my original entry. Moved my stop loss all the way up here. Price is at 34.35.8. As you see, it's going. So I'm gonna let this one ride out too. I mean, I already locked in profits for that trade, which is pretty cool. So let me go back to my other screen. Let me see.
Nice move, man.
Yeah,
Nice entry.
thanks. So I'm in a USD CAD. That thing was just, it freaking went wild. The daily chart. Yeah, it was a nice breakout with these 3 bars right here, and it was a deep pullback. As you can see, there's a nice battle with the bulls and bears here, and it's just trickling in this little zone for the past few days. So I am still long bias here. What was my other one? I was looking at Euro Yen. Let me try move this. Sorry. Minimize this. Situate my screen a little bit. So Euro Yen broke out long, pulled back, broke the trend. It popped up for a little bit, and it looks like the bears are starting to take back control. That's something I'm maybe eyeing out to enter. Let's look at gold. Of course it doesn't want to. There you go. Gold. Okay, so yeah, major range from 1911 to 1763. This is just we're on the sidelines, just letting it play out until it breaks out on either side of the range. It lost all its gain practically back from April. The bull move started to run, hit a high, and it retraced back. So we shall see how it goes on this level where it's at right now. The Bitcoin. Let's go look at Bitcoin. I know it's it's ranging, right? It touched 28,000 back on the 27th, and then now it's back up to 34,700. So it's creeping. We shall see what happens. Yeah, that's I have a short list for this week. Letting stuff unfold still, and yeah, pass it over to you.
Nice. Awesome. Thanks for that, Glenn. That was good, man. All right, can you see good? All right. So I'm looking at Euro Yen. I got in Euro Yen long last week. Just for my target was the EMAs. So it was a quick trade, 14-hour trade, in and out, and trade stop that profit. Right now I'm on the sidelines, but I'm looking at this pair for more bull action, but I'm more than willing to go short as well here because this strong bear move on the daily. Um, and so yeah, right now I'm just staying on the sidelines, waiting for price to develop a little bit more. Moving on to dollar yen, same concept. I just like the way the price is around key levels for a lot of yen pairs, and that's what I like right now. And I like how it's just it wants to move, but I'm waiting for the first move to initiate. So I'm just really remaining patient this week, as we close out the month. Another one is Kiwi dollar. So I like Kiwi dollar or New Zealand USD. Um, I just call it Kiwi dollar. This has the potential to go long. I like it up to certain levels on the daily, but the reason why I will not enter this trade is because one of my criteria is at least has to have the potential to be a 3 to 1 reward, risk reward. So like you're risking 1% to obtain 3%, and that's essentially like what like and a lot of my pairs. I mean, they won't always hit 3, but I just want that the possibility of hitting 3% there. So if I did enter this, I would only hit just under 2%. Again, it's just good, but it's just I don't trade that way. I don't want that. So if you guys are looking at this Kiwi dollars, it looks like a nice buy right now, but a short temporary buy as price is just ranging. And then we just had this bear run over here back into a bull run. So it's kind of in a corrective stage. And finally, euro dollar. Euro dollar is another one where I'm just on the sidelines. I'm really waiting for price to develop because I'll use my drawing tool here. Price on daily, this bottom right is my daily chart. It could just continue up, reject after this 50 EMA and go back down, or it could break through, break to the top high, make a third touch, or right here, it could just reject and start ranging. And then I'm waiting for that move for a short. So there's a few probabilities that could happen here. I just want to wait for a better confirmation. So like, Glenn put it nicely, is just waiting on the sidelines. So overall, that's what I'm looking at. And for fun factor, we go to Bitcoin. And just like Glenn said, I agree with Glenn. It's just in this range right here. Nothing spectacular happening with Bitcoin. Just nice levels here, but it is ranging. So we'll see what happens. Could either continue break down low or just maybe it's on its third or fourth major bull run. We never know. So we're just gonna wait, staying patient. Other than that, that's all I have.
It's good.
Easy watch list. I'm not in any live trades, by the way. So I'm just staying on the sidelines and waiting patiently. Oh, and by the way, caveat off that July 4th is a huge American holiday, Independence Day. So markets overall maybe a little slower than usual. A lot of banks are closed. So just keep that in mind. The markets don't stop moving, but there's just going to be very little volume or volatility to get into trades.
This coming that'll be this coming Friday, right? And then the
Yep.
following Monday, that'll
Correct.
be
Yep.
observed, right? Okay, yeah, that's
Yep.
something to clarify. That's a good point. Good point. And going back to just the forex market, it's tricky right now. Yeah, that so it's good that you're showing your discipline, that you're just on the sidelines waiting for price to develop, because those are some deep, it was trending one way, then it pulled back deeply, and then we're waiting for that what's going to do next. So
Yeah. It's
sidelines
kind of neutral right now. It's like, does it want to go back up into the bull run or bear run, or does it want to like go reversal? So right now we're just in that middle neutral phase, and we just need a little bit more confirmation for
yes,
me, for
yes,
myself. Yeah.
that's right. No, I agree with that. It's very tricky. If you're going to go trade those, you better be spot on with your levels. It is tradable. Price can move. I mean, if it's bouncing in a nice enough range, there are moves to capture.
Yep.
So that's
And
great.
we'll discuss more about like bear market um correcting, bull market trend, bear market trend. So it just depends. Your strategy may have to shift a little bit as far as stop losses goes, or how aggressive or conservative you want to be during certain market conditions. But we'll dive more into that later, because there are different market conditions, and the best traders have strategies for all type of market conditions. So
Perfect. And this upcoming Tuesday, we're gonna be doing our Topic Tuesday, Trading Topic Tuesdays. This week, we're gonna be diving into candlesticks. What are they? We're gonna dissect the anatomy of a candlestick, what to do, and we're gonna give you guys some great examples of real life market and how to spot these candles. So tune in for that, 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. And I think you guys are going to be going on a trip, so I'll be holding on the
so
fort.
I will not be there. Yeah, Mary will. I mean, Mary and I, or we'll be going. Glenn will hold down this Topic Tuesday here, but he's more than knowledgeable on everything, and he knows what he's talking about. So
Right.
it'll be good. It'll be solid. I'm sure you're gonna kill it, man.
Yeah, you guys enjoy your trip, dude.
Thanks, man.
Yeah,
We'll do.
That'll be wrapping up for this week's weekly watch list. Have a good time, guys. Trade safe.
Stay blessed.